Erokamano nya Joy Juma kuom lipot majaberno kendo wamor kod benta kuom yudo anyuola mare gikone. Wadhi nyime kama wadhi e kaunti ma Busia ka sirikal mamalo kotenore kod mar kaunti ma Busia chano gero udi 10,000 manengogi oyueyo kaachiel kod chichni 15. Jagore migao mar ute gi dongruok e pacho ka Polycarp Onyango oyango ni osechiwo rak mar gedo kata mar gero ute 880 e gwenge ma Funyula kama moko gigeno ni biro gol machiegni. Udigo manengogi yot igere kar tiegruok e weche mag pur ma Busia, Funyula, Milimani, Malaba, Nambale kaachiel kod ute jopuonjre e mbalariany ma Alupe gi skund tiegruok e weche mag thieth mar Butula. Jaod bura ma Funyula Oundo Mudenyo siro chenrono mabiro kawo omenda maromo bilion 2.6.
And the investment here of 2.6 billion is going to probably the biggest investment that has ever happened in Funyula constituency since time immemorial. And we are eager to reap the benefits of this project, and we have asked the State Department, together with the contractor, that let the things that come to Funyula remain in Funyula, be it the laborers, be it the materials, be it whatever it is.
All affordable housing projects, the timeline is exactly 12 months. All markets that we are doing, the timeline is 6 months. And this team you see here, their mandate is just to supervise and ensure that the project is on course.
We have been in Kenya over 15 years, and we have done a lot of housing projects, all the countries. So we have the confidence to deliver a nice, affordable housing for Busia County and Funyula. So we work together with the Busia County and also the local community. Most of the manual work we use local people, and whatever material we can buy locally, we prefer to buy from.